Let me show you how to open the wallet in Apple Pay from the lock screen.
You can do this with a debit or a credit card. It works the exact same.
Now, first, when you're on the lock screen of your iPhone, you can see it's currently locked. You're going to double tap that side button in rapid succession and then show your Face ID. So if I tap it twice, you should see it shows up with the wallet in Apple Pay. Here is my credit card. You can see hold near the NFC reader. Now, if you don't see that, let me unlock my phone real quick. We need to check a couple things. So within the settings, there are a couple things that will allow you to turn on the ability to, let me enter that in, to have that wallet or Apple Pay. So within the Face ID and passcode, we need to scroll down and make sure that wallet section is turned on. It says allow access when locked, so we need to make sure wallet is turned on. Then check it. If it still doesn't work for you, the next thing we need to do is go into the settings for the wallet itself and make sure we've added a card. So just tap on add card here and you'll be able to see you can add previous cards, or just tap on debit and credit card and continue. And then essentially all you need to do is either place the card next to it to use the NFC reader, or you can hit enter details manually, and you can manually enter in those card numbers or just scan it with your camera and you're good to go.